Jara, I'm so hungry, but I don't want to go out. Let's just order some food.
Sure, let's order.
What do you want?
I want hamburger, fries, and a hot coffee.
Okay. Good morning, miss.
Good morning, ma'am. This is Saibi from McDo. Can I take your order, ma'am?
I would like to order 2 large burger, 2 fries, 1 burger steak, and for the drinks, I want hot coffee and 1 McFloat.
Noted, ma'am. Just wait for 20 minutes and your order will be arrived.
Thank you.
A few moments later.
Ma'am, your order is here. The total amount is 568 pesos, and I'm just waiting outside.
Okay, sir, I'm on my way. There you go.
Oh no, the food is cold and there's hair on it.
This is very disappointing. We paid for a hot and fresh meal and then they give us this?
You should call the fast food restaurant and complain about it.
Yeah, you're right. Let me handle this. Hi, I just picked up an order and it's not all what I expected. Both foods that I order are cold and has hair on it.
I'm so sorry, ma'am. We take this matter seriously. Could you please bring back the food with the receipt and will we replace it or refund?
Alright, I do that, but this really should not happen.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.